Morning, everybody.
He's gonna go vegan for Veganuary.
Veganuary.
But he's only gonna do a week.
Well, maybe two.
This is a smoothie that Lauren makes me a lot.
Did I put a whole chunk in like that?
Yes, exactly.
Right in. 4 ice cubes already.
Yeah, I put some ice cubes in there because that's gonna chill it. What does flaxseed do?
I don't know. I heard it's good for the old prostate.
Oh yeah, I love it, Roscoe. There you go.
I think the shirt's made out of hemp. Some kind of organic cocoa powder. Oh boy. Do a little mix here. Like that much?
Oh yeah, even a little bit more.
Okay. Here we go.
Great.
Now we get to put it on the fancy machine. Breakfast protein shake. That's quite delicious, actually.
What do you think? Is this a shake that you could have?
Oh yeah.
So today, instead of bacon and eggs, you decided to go with a healthy shake.
I went with a healthy shake, completely vegan, so no animals are harmed during this process.
Yay!
Hopefully lunch tastes just as good.